Good morning, students. Today we are completing this chapter of pair of straight lines, and as I had told you that I was looking for the doubts from this particular chapter. Anyways, if you haven't put up the doubts, today I'll be solving some of the problems from selected problems from the exercise, from the textbook, from the new textbook which you have downloaded. And apart from that, if you have still doubts from this chapter, you can ask me. It is not like that the window is closed for you. You can go ahead and ask me doubts from this chapter also at a later stage, though I'll be taking this chapter once again in the school when it reopens. But at this stage I close this chapter, and from Monday onwards, that is the next fresh class which we have, I will be starting the chapter of mathematical logic with you all. For today, I won't be giving you the assignment in the form of some few selected questions, as the chapter is facing completion. So what you can do is you can solve the questions from the exercise today, practice it, practice to the best of what you can. Otherwise, if you have doubts related to topics, related to concepts from the chapter, you can straightforwardly ask me regarding the same. And today you will be just giving a Google test on this particular chapter. Once the lectures are done, there will be few selected problems which I will be solving today in the lecture. And apart from that, I would suggest go through the chapter once from your textbook, the downloaded textbook which you have. If you have some doubts regarding some questions, ask me. You have today, tomorrow, in fact day after tomorrow you can also ask me, and proceedingly we'll be marching ahead towards the next chapter, that is mathematical logic. So keep in mind, if you go through the chapter once, that would be in your favor, because while delivering the lecture you will grasp things early. But if you can't, wait for me for the next class. We will be starting with mathematical logic, and after that we will be going to the next book referring to the calculus part. But that will be on a later stage. Today and a planning for next week is done from my side, that today we are completing this chapter of pair of straight lines. Go thoroughly from the chapter, go thoroughly from each and each problem. Please go through the summary of the exercise given at the last of the textbook. That is important. And I would suggest complete the exercise. If you aren't able to do the miscellaneous exercise, that is not a big problem. But yes, complete the exercise part, means exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. If you are doing the miscellaneous part, that is good enough, no problem with that. But if you aren't able to do it, just inform me that the particular problem is creating a problem for you. Okay, thank you.